It's small-sized rice milling and crushing machine. Its capacity is 150 kg per hour. The customer visited our factory to test the machine. First is rice milling test. Very good milled rice with a bright color. The white bag at the left of the machine is to collect the rice husk, and the bowl is to collect the milled rice. It's the rice husk. The orange button can adjust the speed of rice to enter the machine. Blue rice. The blue button is to adjust the gap between ruler and screen. The rice are falling down the container. Very good rice, and the broken rate is very low. This rice milling machine is to remove the outer frame. And you can clearly see how to adjust it. They also can crush the rice husk. They are discharging the rice husk. Very good effect. It can be used to feed animals. Of course, it's able to crush rice. The capacity is 150 kg per hour. Wash the rice. Please connect our website to know more.